Hello students, in this video we are going to see regarding about the stock group. In the same way, we have to see how to create, display, alter and delete in single and multiple mode in case of Tally. Now let's see what is stock group. Stock group is nothing but collection of similar stock items, or even we can just call this one as group of similar stock items also, which cannot be sold or consumed. Even in case of stock category also, which cannot be sold or consumed. Only stock items can be sold or consumed, right? Stock groups in case of inventory are similar to the groups in case of accounting masters. In case of module 2, we have seen how to create the user-defined groups. In the same way, we have 28 predefined groups which are provided by the Tally. Therefore, stock groups in inventory is similar to the groups in case of accounting masters. They are helpful in the classification of stock items. We can group stock items under different stock groups to reflect their classification based on some common features. It can be the brand name, color, product type or type of product, quality, etc. Grouping enables us to locate stock items easily and report their details in the statements. In the previous video, we have seen how to create the stock category. There we have taken the stock category as cars, pens, books and vehicles. Suppose if the stock category is cars, in that case stock group will be diesel cars and petrol cars. Suppose if the stock category is pens, in that case the stock group will be gel pens and ballpoint pens. If the stock category is books, in that case textbooks and notebooks will be the stock group. If vehicles is a stock category, in that case two-wheeler and four-wheeler will be the stock group. Now let's see how to create stock group in case of Tally. Here comes out with creating a stock group in case of Tally. The procedure is given here. The procedure begins with gateway of Tally, masters, inventory info menu, their stock groups. Under the stock groups menu, here comes out with the create option, which is available under single and as well as under the multiple mode. Now let's see the practical part of this one in Tally. Now let's see how to create the stock groups. From the gateway of Tally, masters, inventory info, or just press the letter I. Just click on this one. This will take us to inventory info menu and here comes out with the stock groups. Just click on this one and here we can see stock groups menu has come down, single and multiple mode. Only create option is activated. Display alter both are deactivated. This indicates that we don't have any default, predefined or built-in stock groups in Tally. Whatever we create will be of user defined, right? Okay, now let's go for creating stock group in single mode. Just go back to single stock group, click on create, right? And here we can see stock group creation window has come down, name. I just take here for books, I just take the stock group will be textbooks alias will be blank under primary. In the same way, we can also go for creating the subgroups also. The next one we have here, can quantities of items be added? Default is no. We can even make it S. When this is made S, in that case, the stock items which are created under the group textbooks, in that case, all the items which belongs to the same group has to be measured with the same units of measure, or else keep it as default no. Right? I just repeat once again here. The stock items which are created under the same group has to be measured with the same units of measure if this is taken S. Let this be no. Okay. Later we have to save by pressing Y from the keyboard. I just go for creating one more here. Textbooks we have taken. Right now we will go for having notebooks, alias blank, primary, quantities of items be added. Default is no. We can even make it S also. Then later press Y to accept. Right. Now we will go for having gel pens, blank, primary, then no, accept Y for the group creation. Okay. To come out back to the menu, press escape, once again escape. Right now it is created. Right now we will see how to create this one in multiple mode. Just go for create. Okay, all items, name of the stock group. I just take here ballpoint pens, under primary no. Next one we will go for having two-wheeler, primary no, four-wheeler, primary no. Then later save this one by pressing Y from the keyboard to accept the group creation. The next one is regarding about display option in case of stock group. That is nothing but displaying a stock group. We can display the existing stock group which are created by the user in single and as well as in case of multiple mode. Tally does not allow the user to edit, alter, modify, update or change any information in display mode. We can just read the contents. This is something like read only mode. We can read the contents but we are not supposed to do any type of editing or changes here. Down we have the procedure here. Again the procedure will begin from the gateway of Tally, masters, inventory info menu, stock groups, and here comes out with the option that will be display. And here this particular option we have it in single mode and as well as in case of multiple mode. Right now we will see the practical part of this one in Tally. Stock groups menu, single mode, display, and here we can go for display of two-wheeler, right? Cursor pointer is not available. We can just read only the contents. For that sake, I have just told it is a read only mode. To come out, press escape. The same way we can go for selecting one more group, gel pens, right? To come out, escape. To come back to the menu, escape once again, right? Let's see in case of multiple mode. Multiple mode, display all items. In one window, we can see the list of stock groups which are created by the user, right? We can read the contents. We can display the contents. To come out, press escape. Once again, escape, right? Right now, we will see the alter option. The next one is regarding about altering a stock group. In case of alter option, we can go for display, we can edit, we can alter, change, modify, update. This option allows the user to display, view the existing stock group in edit mode. Here we are allowed to change the various information. Down the procedure is given here. Again the procedure begins from gateway of tally, masters, inventory info, stock groups, and here comes out with the alter option, and here this option is available under the mode single and as well as in case of multiple mode. Now let's see the practical part of this one in tally. Single mode, alter, or we can press the letter A also. Just click on this one, right? Let's go back to textbooks, right? I just make here textbooks 1. Okay. Later, save. Press Y from the keyboard. In the same way, we can do the changes for other stock groups also, right? To come out, press escape. Once again escape. Once again escape, we will be back to the menu. The same way, let's see the alter option in multiple mode. Just click on this one. All items. I think so all can see the cursor pointer has come down, right? We can do the changes here. For four-wheeler, items are addable. We can make it S, where all the stock items which belongs to the four-wheeler has to be measured with the same units of measure. Press Y to accept. To come out, escape. Right? This is regarding about the alter. Here comes out with the last option, that is how to delete the stock group. Deletion is possible only using the alter option, and that too using the single mode. To delete anything in tally, we make use of a shortcut key that will be Alt plus D. D indicates here delete. The same way to delete the stock group also, we will be using the same shortcut key. Down the procedure is given here, gateway of tally, masters, inventory info, stock groups, alter and single mode. Down we have a note here, we cannot delete a stock group if it is used by any subgroups or stock items. It is given that if the particular stock group is used by any subgroups or stock items, in that case we cannot delete the stock group. First, we have to delete the relevant subgroups and stock items. Then only we can go for deleting the stock group. In the same way, we cannot delete a stock group via the multiple mode, right? The same thing is also applicable for other stock category, even in case of accounting, for ledger or groups in case of accounting, correct? Now let's see the practical part of this one. Stock groups menu, single mode, alter, right, and here we will go for deleting two-wheeler. To delete this one, press Alt D. Delete question mark, press Y from the keyboard. Okay. Right now, let's delete for ballpoint pens. Alt D. Press Y from the keyboard. Right. Right now in the list we can see only 4 options. 4 groups are available. Correct. To come out, escape. This is all about the stock groups. Thank you. Keep watching the videos which are uploaded on the channel.